Hello guys, today I'm going to teach you how to make this 3D tank made in Blender 2.92. So first things first, we're going to go to, I'm going to show you from the beginning. First go to splash screen. You'll probably see this thing and all you need to press is general and it'll start like this. First, I'm gonna delete this and I'll remake it. Press Shift A, and then press Mesh. You just float the cursor and then press Q. That's basically the same thing, but I'm just showing you. And then you see this place. Make this one and then press Enter, and it'll be floating on like top of this land. Then I'm gonna scale it and go to scale and then increase the size. I like it as much as this, and then this is how big it needs to be. Well, you guys can make your own size, but I'm just gonna do it like this. Make it float about this high, and then now I'm gonna add some wheels. First, we need to get a cylinder. So go to press Shift A and then press Mesh again and then do cylinder. Now this cylinder is gonna be coming here, float it to 1, and then I'm gonna make this shade smooth. All you need to do is do right click while press this once and then press right click and press shade smooth. Then it'll turn super smooth and like a wheel. Next, you need to go to scale and shrink it so it's very thin, but not too thin, and make it smaller. And I'll make this about 0.700 for Control Z, 0.700. Now it's gonna be like this, and I'm gonna rotate it so it's sideways like a wheel. Or if you want to do it the quick way, just go here in rotation Y and then do 90 degrees. Just press 90 and it'll work. Next, you need to move it here and attach it all the way over here. You can attach it in the inside or the outside, and I'll just do this. Next, just make sure it's like this, and then click this, and then do right click again, and then duplicate objects. All you need to do is just shake it and then put it on the side, and make sure it's on this. You set this to 1, so it's like this, and then you just put it sideways. And you just balance it on where you want to put it. I'm gonna say I like it like this. Next, you've done half of your wheels. The next step is doing it again. So duplicate objects and put it here. Now this needs to be on 1. To make the wheels even, you just need to match it, and there. Now all you need to do is duplicate that again, so you have 4 wheels. So 1, and then I won't put that much detail onto this, and yeah, done. Now I'm running out of time, and this is the end of part 1. Now see me back at part 2. Bye.